गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. आज आपण नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज ऑफ अल्केन हे पाहणार आहे. तर नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज, देर आर टू सिस्टम्स of nomenclature. First, common system, and second, IUPAC system. In common system of halogens, we used general formula like alkyl halide, means first derive name of alkyl group and then write name of halogen atom. For example, methyl chloride. Here CH3, which is written as methyl and then chloride. Isopropyl bromide. Iso means here to second carbon two methyl groups are attached, which is written also as secondary propyl bromide. We can write as secondary propyl bromide. Why secondary? Because here bromine atom is attached to second carbon. Also, we use prefixes like tertiary. For example, tertiary butyl bromide. Here, this carbon is tertiary and four carbons are attached to this carbon. So, this can be written as tertiary butyl bromide. In common system, we write prefixes like N for normal, then iso for secondary, tertiary, nu. These prefixes are used to derive common name of halogen derivatives. The general formula of alkyl halide is alkyl halide. For example, here CH2Cl2. While derive the common name of alkyl halide, we consider total number of carbon atoms present in that structure. For example, here one carbon, so we write here methyl chloride. Here three carbons are present, so we have written propyl. Here four carbons are total present, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in common system we consider total number of carbon atoms, and general formula is alkyl halide. First structure is CH2Cl2, methylene chloride. Methylene chloride. This CH3Cl, CH3 single bond Cl, methyl chloride. CH3 CH2 Br. 1, 2. Two carbons are present. Ethyl bromide. Here CH3 CH2 CH2 Cl. Three carbons are present and straight chain. Therefore, this is N propyl bromide. Three carbons are present, therefore propyl. N propyl chloride. Here chloride is attached to second carbon, so we can write name of the structure as iso or secondary. Secondary propyl chloride. or isopropyl chloride. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are total present. So, and straight chain. So, name of the structure is N-butyl bromide. N-butyl bromide. Now, in this structure, bromide is here and methyl group is here. So, this is primary alkyl halide because this bromine is attached to first carbon atom. So we can write name of the structure as isopropyl bromide. Total carbons are here 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is isobutyl bromide. Sorry, this is isobutyl bromide. Now, bromine atom is attached to second carbon. So, name of the structure will be secondary butyl bromide. Secondary butyl bromide. Understand? Methylene chloride, methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, N-propyl chloride, secondary or isopropyl chloride, N-butyl bromide, isobutyl bromide. Bromine is attached to here first carbon atom. Here secondary butyl bromide. Also here tertiary butyl bromide. You can write as tertiary butyl bromide. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be N-pentyl chloride. N-pentyl chloride. Now here chlorine atom is attached to first carbon atom, so it is primary. So we can write as total carbon 5, so isopentyl chloride. Isopentyl chloride. In this way we can write common name of halogen derivatives. Now here double bond is present, so it is vinyl chloride. This is allyl chloride. Here triple bond is present, so it is chloroacetylene. Here hydrogen atom of acetylene is replaced by chlorine atom, so chloroacetylene. And here benzyl iodide. So this is common system